how to combine PDF files into one. Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. If you are new here, don't forget to hit the subscribe button and turn on the notification bell to not miss any updates. So do you want to merge two or more PDF files into one file? Then you're in the right place. Let's dive right in. Open up your browser and you need to go to this website called ilovepdf.com and you will find merge PDF option there. Just tap on it and then tap on select PDF files and your file explorer will open up. You can select more than two PDF files and then hit open, and then you'll need to wait for a while and then tap on merge PDF. So it will complete in a few seconds itself, and then you can just open up the PDF file by tapping on download first and then going to the download section and just tap on it, and there you go. It's as simple as that. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like the video and subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching.